Well, hi friends, I'm Brian Cosby, this is Provide and Protect. Today we're talking about this EcoFlow. This is the River 2 Max 500. This is a portable power station. And we're out here camping right now, and I think that's one of the main uses for something like this is when you are out and obviously there's no power, no electricity to plug anything into. This would be a great option. Or I think another use for something like this is if, let's say the power goes out at your home. This can run appliances in your home. I want to talk about that here today. So what I'm going to do is bring you in and show you some of the features of this. First off, this is well built. This is made to last for over 3,000 cycles, and that's a pretty remarkable. It weighs just under 14 pounds, so it's not heavy. You've got this big kind of handle up here on the back, but on the front, I'm going to show you what we're doing right now. You can kind of see right here that it is now plugged in. We're at 99% charge. I don't know if you see this on the camera or not, but right now we have 64 watts coming in, and we have it plugged in over here to a solar panel. So we just set the solar panel up, and I'll drop a link for this panel and the kit and everything down below. But you can connect this to the solar panel like this, and I'll show you the back in just a moment. Or you can just plug it in, and it takes about an hour if it's drained. It takes about an hour if you just plug this into like a AC standard 3-prong outlet. you can charge it that way. You can connect it to a battery with these terminal cables here, or if you need to charge it from your vehicle, just the DC 12 volt in your vehicle, you can charge it different ways, and that's nice. And on the back, and I'll turn this around so you can see the back. Obviously, we have it plugged in here for the solar panel, but there's where you plug it in for just a regular 3-prong in your home. And this charges it up. Like I said, if you do it with just the 3-prong outlet, then it takes about an hour to charge up. If you do it with a solar panel like this, it could take between 2 and 4 hours to charge up. But the nice thing about being out here is even if this goes down in power or something, we can charge it back up with a solar panel. It's pretty handy. But look what you can do with this. So 500 watts operating. They say up to 1,000 surge. So you can think about, running a refrigerator, running some other. If you got food in your refrigerator, you don't want to go bad and you lose power or something, you can plug your refrigerator into something like this, which is really nice. So on the front here, you have several different USB options, USB-C here, and down here you have your standard AC, and you can turn on the AC. So if you plug in something here and just turn that on and then plug something in, it works. So, and then of course your standard DC 12 volt there. So of course you turn that on as well. So it has buttons that you turn on for the DC or the AC. It's very simple and easy to operate. And I have found that because it's not heavy, it's not very big. I'll drop you can see in the specs below, but it's not very big. So it's just a nice little compact size. And the other thing that's different between this and like a generator is that a generator is super loud. I'm at a park right now. We're camping at a park, and so we've got other neighbors on each side of us that are camping. If we were running a generator, they'd be really angry at me right now. So this is quiet. It's silent. So that's another nice thing about having something like this as opposed to another generator. The other thing about generators, if you have a generator, you know how heavy those are. So for something to be this light and silent and still run your whatever you need, if we want to run lights tonight, or if I brought a heater out here, if it was really cold and I wanted to run a heater into my tent or something, we could do that. So again, I think multiple options for something like this. Now on their website at the time of recording, this was listed at like $450, pretty expensive. But on Amazon at time of recording today, it is $300. They're always running sales. So that's $150 off on the Amazon. So I'll drop a link for that. But you should check out different links and try to find something like this. Now EcoFlow makes all kinds of sizes of these portable power stations, all kinds of sizes. And this is one of the smaller ones, and I think it's just fine for all of the needs that I would have. All right, so this also comes with an app, and you can see here I'm 99% charged. You can see the input coming in there. This is plugged into the wall, so you can see the wattage coming in right there. If I were to plug something in and use it like a tool or something else, you could see the output there as well. So this connects via either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, so either one of them will work, but just another option for you guys. Guys, again, I'll drop a link for this down below, but if you have other questions about this or other thoughts, or you want to see me plug something in that you think, I don't know if that's going to work, let me know in the comments below. But I hope it's been helpful for you, and if you've not already done so, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. We appreciate you and your support for us. We'll see you in the next video.